In this video, I'm gonna show you why Hooked Protocol is the next big crypto and also give you my price prediction of the coin. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about Hooked Protocol and also give you my price prediction in the end. But first, if you want to be able to trade up to 300 different kinds of crypto and also get $4,000 in rewards by just depositing and trading crypto, be sure to go to the top of my description, click on the partner buying link, sign up, start trading and depositing crypto and get insane rewards. So let's start this video with what is Hooked Protocol. So Hooked Protocol is the on-ramp layer one for massive web adoption to form the ecosystem of the future community-owned economies. So a lot of big text, guys, but what does it mean? So basically, Hooked Protocol is a massive provider for Web3 adoption. They're providing tailored, lean and earned products and onboarding infrastructures for users and businesses to enter the new world of Web3. So basically what they're doing is making it as easy as possible for people and businesses to enter Web3. Their pilot product, Wild Cash, offering quiz to earn and other gamified learning experiences, having attracted over 2 million members to the community. Hooked is aiming at forming an engaging ecosystem of community-owned economics by facilitating and optimizing the onboard flows for all Web3 pathfinders. This means basically they have this product called Wild Cash, which is a platform where you can actually earn money with quiz to earn and other experiences, and they brought over 2 million members to the community. And what they're saying is we can make even bigger and better things than that. So what is their mission, guys? They aim to build the on-ramp layer for massive Web3 adoption. So they want to build the future of community-owned economics. So they believe that through gamified learning experience and paying out economic value back to users, they can empower everyone with no prior crypto experience to access, earn and own a share of crypto. So this is really important to get the people who have zero experience in crypto to your platform, to your blockchain, to actually start earning money with crypto. And the more people earn with crypto, the more they're gonna tell their friends and the more people they're gonna get into crypto. And this is one of the most important things about blockchain technology. It has to be as easy as possible so that everybody will join it, guys. And this is what these cryptos are competing with nowadays, making it as easy as possible for people to develop and access their technology. So the next question, of course, is what is the Hook token used for? What's its utility? So the single token Hook structure supplemented with an in-ecosystem only utility token HGT, and facing liquidity and utility while maintaining stability and ensuring long-term sustainability. So basically the Hook token is the governance token of the Hooked Protocol and has something to say it's what's going to happen with the project, and the HGT is basically the utility token. So this is basically the fuel of the economy, just like Axie Infinity has X as their main token and SLP as their fuel token. So everybody who wants to say something in the project needs Hook, and everybody who wants to use the platform and everything they produce has to use the HGT token, and usually they're probably connected as well. So next step, of course, the roadmap. What do we have, guys? So achieved over 2 million monthly active users in Q4. They had a Binance launchpad, which was actually a really good launchpad. They had global expansion and scaling solution to facilitate strong user growth. So they're actually growing really nice, guys. So what are they gonna do in 2023? So more diverse game gamified learning experience, collaboration and partnership with more Web3 product, wallet solution integrations. So just like their already impressive product Wildcash, they want to bring more gamified learning experience where you can earn crypto by learning things and producing things for the blockchain, and they want to make it as easy as possible and attract even more users. And the second thing, in 2023 is become one of the largest Web3 communities, DAO style governance structure, more diverse application launch, application middleware solutions launch. So basically they also want to grow their community, so they want to attract more people in believing in the Hooked protocol and have something to say and actually add value to the Hooked protocol. And now guys, let's go on with the token and my price prediction. So we got Hooked protocol token Hook, currently sitting at a price of $2.92 with a market cap of only 145 million and a full loot of 1.4 billion. If we take a look at the charts guys, like we just said, it was a Binance launchpad on the 1st of December, so it's only out 10 days. And one impressive thing about this, usually these launchpads go like this. This goes up and then it drops all the way down, it keeps dropping. But this coin actually had a stable price around $2.23 and it's now actually going to the $3 again. It's actually going over the launchpad hype, and this is really bullish because usually people who bought earlier pre-launch it want to dump their token and make a lot of money, and usually the price crashes. But with Hook protocol, because they have this product already with 2 million users, because they have utility, they're still growing and actually finding higher highs guys. So as you can see, the lows are getting higher, the highs is actually getting higher. So my price being is not financial advice, I just want to see how much product they can deliver. If they offer more products where you can actually make money with crypto without knowing anything of crypto, this coin could be really huge, and we could see this coin pumping to one of the biggest cryptos, like 110 billion market cap, which would be like 100x guys. But they need to produce, they need to show us product that will attract millions of people, and if they can do this guys, this token will have great utility. So the next part is, let's check it out where you can buy Hooked protocol. Even though it's only 10 days old, it of course is on Binance, but it's also on Bybit, Bidget, Mech Exchange, so it's already on some decent exchange guys. And why is this bullish? Because the more exchange it is, the more safe it is. But also, if people see it pumping and it's on a lot of exchanges, they're gonna get FOMO, and in a bull market, FOMO is what gets you the biggest pumps guys. And they still have opportunity with Coinbase, Kraken, and all these big exchanges get listed and even more hype to the coin. Also guys, if you want to buy Hooked, be sure to go to the top of my description and you can buy it at the partner Bybit link at the top, or it's Binance and Bidget in the description. So just choose the exchange you want with the best rewards and most suiting for you and buy Hooked protocol. And last but not least, let's check out the community guys. So we got Hooked protocol Hooked, 75,000 followers already, joined in September. It's the one ramp layer for massive Web3 adoption, so that's a keyword. Of course they're tweeting every day, showing what they're doing guys, making it easier for people to understand. Quiz to earn guys, making quizzes with proof of work, so you actually have to make yourself work and get the token rewarded guys. So they're doing really nice things, tweeting a lot, so it's looking really great guys. So my final thought is, Hooked has already some utility, they just have to show us more money making methods, just so that everyone who doesn't even understand crypto can start with Hooked protocol and make amazing profits. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow me on Twitter for the latest crypto news and everything when I post a video. Like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, and YouTube. Till next time.